We're making wild venison meatball subs. A meatball is a great way to use some ground meat, so I'm gonna show you how to make an awesome meatball that'll be good for a whole bunch of different things. Season this with some salt and pepper. Half of my diced onion, crushed garlic, a little bit of breadcrumb, crack that egg, a little shot of cream or milk, wet those breadcrumbs, chopped parsley. Here we go, meatball. Oh yeah. Little tomato bath for our meatball friends. Oh man, do they ever look good. The next step here is I'm going to grab my buns. I'm just going to give them a nice little cut. We're going to take these beautiful meatballs and some sauce and start laying them inside of our buns. You can add as much or as little basil as you like. A little mozzarella cheese. Get it under the broiler on low and just leave it in there for a minute or two. This is just a super cool way and a different way to enjoy that ground meat and get yourself some beautiful meatball subs.